On May the 20th through the 23rd, uh, from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, we are going to be hosting a Co-op Success Accelerator program. It's a training program for your co-ops. Now, if you have co-ops and all you're using them for is to organize data or to print drawings or to do that menial work that co-op work is sometimes regulated to, that's not a great use of your assets. Co-ops can do a lot of great work for you. Let us here at SAS train your co-ops to run Solid Edge. We'll do things like teach them the basics. We'll also teach them engineering skills. Help us, or I should say, let us help you get more productivity out of this precious asset. Co-ops are cool.